Hi, I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. This is part 2 to the signature yarn custom order that I started up last week or this week. Depends on when I get it out. But this is the second half for it, and this is what I'm going to be plying with it. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's get into it. This will probably take about 2 to 4 hours to complete. And then at the end I will do a reveal of the finished yarn. So I hope you enjoy this. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit the all notification bell to see whenever I upload a new video. The yarn that I'm plying with is a fine kid mohair yarn in pale pink and a really pretty pink metallic thread. Okay, just take your time if you're ever going to be spinning with the metallic thread, because it's so fine it does get all tangled up and you need to constantly pull the knots out. So this may take me a little bit longer than expected due to the extra work that I've got to put in. But I hope you all enjoy watching me make this yarn. I don't get to make it all that often because there is a lot to it, and it does take me roughly a week to complete one yarn. So that includes how long it takes to prepare the locks as well. Sometimes I also dye my own yarn, my own fibre to go with it. But this time I cheated and I bought a beautiful silk merino bat top from one of the mills in Australia. So let's get into it. This will take me a while to complete, and hopefully I don't run out of battery. I'm really hoping that this plying yarn that I'm using is an alpaca, and it is mohair, because I'm highly allergic to alpaca, and I'm already starting to get a bit itchy eyes, itchy throat, itchy nose, hard to breathe, sneezy. This was given to me by someone, so I'm not sure. I hope it is mohair and not alpaca. But I'm allergic to pretty much everything, so I get very like this every day with just anything in the air. But I was perfect. I was fine before I started spinning, so I'm just questioning that this pink yarn is not actually mohair. But I've already started, so I'm just gonna finish this, finish it, and then put it in the bag. Take a antihistamine allergy pills. I don't know. finish this in an hour and 20 minutes. I had to rush through it because I think this may be alpaca. I'm having a hard time. Throw it away. Turned out very beautiful. Very pretty. You can just see a little bit of the sparkle. Stay tuned for when I skein this up, and I will share the end results in a little bit.